Hey everyone, welcome back. It feels amazing to have you here again.
Yes, we're so happy you joined. And today's topic is one of the funniest English mistakes.
That's right. We're going to talk about ice cream versus ice cream.
Oh, yes, I've heard so many learners mix these two phrases.
Exactly. And the meaning changes completely. Imagine you want to eat ice cream, but you say ice cream.
Yes, that would be very funny. I scream every day.
Exactly. People would think you shout all the time.
So today, we'll practice the difference between ice cream and I scream with examples and role plays.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. Ice cream is the sweet dessert.
Yes, I like ice cream.
Perfect. I scream means you shout loudly.
Exactly. I scream when I see a spider.
See? Very different meanings.
Yes, but the sounds are similar, so learners mix them.
Right. Let's role play. I'll make mistakes and you correct me.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, my name is David. I scream every day.
Careful. Say, I eat ice cream every day.
I eat ice cream every day.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is David. I like ice cream.
Careful. Say, I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
Excellent.
Hello, my name is David. Ice cream with chocolate.
Careful. Say, I like ice cream with chocolate.
I like ice cream with chocolate.
Perfect. See, small changes make a big difference.
Yes, and sometimes they make people laugh.
Exactly. But don't worry, mistakes are part of learning.
By the way, if you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to give this video a like.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes.
Your support helps us keep making fun and useful English lessons.
Exactly. And now let's continue with more examples.
Okay, let's talk about sentences. I want ice cream.
Perfect. That means you want dessert.
I want ice cream.
That sounds very strange.
Exactly. It's a funny mistake.
Yes, and here's another example. My sister likes ice cream.
Perfect. That means she enjoys dessert.
My sister likes ice cream.
That means she enjoys shouting.
Exactly. Very funny.
See, it's important to be careful.
Yes, but practice makes it easy.
Right. Let's role play again.
Okay. David, what do you want for dessert?
I want ice cream.
Careful. Say, I want ice cream.
I want ice cream.
Perfect.
And what do you do when you see a spider?
I eat ice cream.
Careful, say ice cream.
Ice cream.
Excellent.
See? It's easy to mix them.
Yes, but now we know the difference.
Exactly.
Let's practice longer sentences.
Okay.
I am eating ice cream with my friends.
Perfect.
I am eating ice cream with my friends.
That sounds very strange.
Exactly.
And I scream when I watch a scary movie.
Perfect.
I ice cream when I watch a scary movie.
That means you eat dessert during the movie.
Exactly. Very funny.
See, small mistakes can change the meaning completely.
Yes, but now we can laugh and learn.
Perfect.
Let's add more role plays.
Okay.
David, what do you eat in summer?
I scream in summer.
Careful. Say, I eat ice cream in summer.
I eat ice cream in summer.
Perfect. And what do you do when you are scared?
I eat ice cream.
Careful. Say, I scream.
I scream.
Excellent. See, it's easy to mix them.
Yes, but now we know the difference.
Exactly.
This is fun.
Yes, and useful. But here's the funny part. Many learners still get confused when speaking fast.
Right, because ice cream and ice cream sound almost the same. That's the problem.
Exactly. And if you mix them, people might laugh or misunderstand you.
So in the next part, we'll show the solution. Funny stories and role plays that make the difference clear.
And once you hear those examples, you'll never confuse ice cream with ice cream again.
I can't wait.
Let's start with a story. One student once said, "I scream every night."
That sounds scary. People might think the student shouts every night.
Exactly. But the student meant, "I eat ice cream every night."
Perfect. That's a big difference.
Yes. Another student said, "My father likes ice cream."
That means the father enjoys shouting.
Exactly. But the student meant, "My father likes ice cream."
Perfect. See, small mistakes can change the meaning completely.
Yes, but now we can laugh and learn.
Let's practice longer sentences.
Okay.
I scream when I see a ghost.
Perfect. That means you shout loudly.
I ice cream when I see a ghost.
That means you eat dessert when you see a ghost.
Exactly. Very funny.
I eat ice cream when I am happy.
Perfect.
I scream when I am happy.
That means you shout when you are happy.
Exactly. Very funny.
See, small mistakes can make big laughs.
Yes, but now we know the correct way.
Exactly.
Let's add more role plays.
Okay.
Jessica, what do you eat in summer?
I scream in summer.
Careful. Say, "I eat ice cream in summer."
I eat ice cream in summer.
Perfect. And what do you do when you are scared?
I eat ice cream.
Careful. Say, "I scream."
I scream.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, it's easy to mix them.
Yes, but now we know the difference.
Exactly.
Let's practice with feelings.
Okay.
I feel happy when I eat ice cream.
Perfect. I feel scared when I scream.
Excellent.
I feel relaxed when I eat ice cream.
Perfect.
I feel nervous when I scream.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is fun.
Yes, and useful. Now let's practice a full conversation.
Okay.
David, what do you want for dessert?
I want ice cream.
Careful. Say, "I want ice cream."
I want ice cream.
Perfect. And what do you do when you see a spider?
I eat ice cream.
Careful. Say, "I scream."
I scream.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Dated, what do you eat when you are happy?
I scream when I'm happy.
Careful. Say, I eat ice cream when I am happy.
I eat ice cream when I am happy.
Perfect. And what do you do when you are scared?
I eat ice cream when I am scared.
Careful. Say, I scream when I am scared.
I scream when I am scared.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
See, it's simple.
Yes, but important.
Exactly. Now let's review everything.
Okay.
Step 1, ice cream is dessert.
Step 2, I scream means shouting.
Step 3, don't say, I want ice cream. Say, I want ice cream.
Step 4, don't say, "I eat ice cream when I am scared." Say, "I scream when I am scared."
Step 5, practice with role plays and stories.
Perfect. That's the full routine.
Yes, it is.
And remember, mistakes are normal. Don't be afraid.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
I feel confident now.
That's wonderful. And we hope our listeners feel confident too.
Yes. Everyone listening, you can do this. Practice ice cream and I scream and you will sound natural.
Exactly. Even a small step is progress.
And every word you say is a victory.
Beautifully said, David.
Thank you, Jessica, and thank you to our listeners.
Yes, we are proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
That's the secret. No more funny mistakes with ice cream and ice cream.
Perfect ending for this part. But wait, there's more.
Oh, really? What's next?
In the next part, we'll go deeper. We'll show how fast speaking, accents, and real conversations can make ice cream and ice cream even trickier.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, and we'll give you the solution, practice drills, and tongue twisters to master the difference.
I can't wait.
We've laughed at so many funny mistakes already, but here's the challenge. When people speak fast, ice cream and ice cream can sound almost identical.
Yes, that's the problem. Even native speakers sometimes play with these words as a joke.
Exactly. And if you're not careful, you might confuse dessert with shouting.
So, the solution is practice, drills, tongue twisters, and real conversation examples.
Perfect. Let's try some.
Repeat after me. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
That's a famous tongue twister. It mixes both phrases.
Yes, and it helps you hear the difference.
Perfect. Let's break it down. I scream means shouting. Ice cream means dessert.
Exactly. Say it slowly first, then faster.
Okay. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Perfect. That was clear.
Thank you.
Let's add more drills.
Okay.
I eat ice cream when I am happy.
Perfect.
I scream when I am scared.
Excellent.
I eat ice cream when it's hot.
Perfect.
I scream when it's cold.
That sounds funny, but it's correct. See, practice makes it easy.
Let's roleplay a funny story.
Okay.
Yesterday, I was at a party. My friend said, I scream every day.
That sounded strange.
Exactly. Everyone thought he shouts every day.
But he meant, I eat ice cream every day.
Perfect. That was funny.
Yes, but now he knows.